Hey y'all, it's Shantae, Hippie Hustle. Welcome back to my channel. So I contemplated not uploading this video because I am just so upset about the audio. I had this cute little vision that I was gonna come to Clearwater Beach and I was gonna record some beach scents for y'all so that y'all can get that vibe, that beachy feel, because we're gonna be talking about vacation fragrances. Well, something odd happened with my phone. I don't know if it got wet. It just sounds real loud and tacky and you can hardly hear me. But I'm gonna put out the content anyway, and I'm just gonna apologize for how ratchet it sounds. If you hang in here, I did put in some bonus footage of a store walkthrough, but I hope y'all get some enjoyment out of it. If you have any questions, just ask them in the description bar. Love y'all.
First, I'm going to recommend At the Beach. If you don't know what At the Beach smells like, the notes are white frangipani blossoms, toasted coconut, bergamot water, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk. This smells just like the beach. So if you are looking for something that is salty, it has that coconut in there, it is musky, it's not very sweet, but this is not what you need for the beach, because like I said, you don't want to be too sweet, because if you're too sweet, the salt from actually getting in the water and being outside could make you feel sick and tired a little more often. So At the Beach by Staying on tune with the salty. This is more of a gourmand. So here's a little sweetness for you girls. Got a little chocolate in there. The notes are toasted marshmallow, sea salt breeze, s'mores accord, beach driftwood, and creamy vanilla. This smells like At the Beach, but if you were to add a sweet marshmallow and some chocolate on it, it is such a goodie. I consider it a year-round scent. A lot of people want to go ahead and only wear it over the summer, but you can wear it in the fall and the winter too. It just depends on what you plan on fragrance layering it with, but it's a banger. Go ahead and give this one a try, especially at the beach, especially for dates at the beach, or if you are going to do an evening at the beach, this is going to be perfect. Next, I have the Juniper Breeze, and Juniper Breeze is a clean juniper-y scent. So the notes for Juniper Breeze are juniper leaves, green apple, blue jasmine, fresh woods, and dewy musk. The apple and the musk makes this smell very clean, and it, in my opinion, is a spring and summer scent. You're gonna love this one. If you don't have it, it's a classic. It's been around for at least 30 years.
So I had to do a voiceover for this part because the sound got really bad, but I am recommending warm and cozy for a light beach day, particularly if you're going in the morning. So the notes for this one are soft vanilla, toasted coconut, and passion fruit. In the background is that coconut, but the first scent that you do smell is the passion fruit and vanilla. It is a skin scent, so it don't go beast mode, but it is really good to put on you no matter what age you are. My daughter, who is 9, loves it, and I love it, and I'm almost 40, and I get tons of compliments on it. You don't have to fragrance layer it, but I typically do fragrance layer it with Her by Burberry and Vanilla Musk, but it is just such a nice, sweet, clean coconut. You can wear this at any time of the day, but this is really good for the mornings.
How can I talk about beachy scents without talking about Getaway Soiree? The notes for this one are sun-kissed mandarin, tuberose, and solar musk. This is that Tom Ford dupe that just came out in the store. That Tom Ford dupe, Solio Blanc. It's that sweet, beachy, coconut suntan type scent. It smells just like suntan. Yeah, so get into this one. It smells like suntan lotion. Y'all are going to love this one if you're into that type of scent. If you're not, I beg that you give this one a try. Go ahead and see if this is something that you can get. Next, here is a sweet, freshy, marshmallowy scent, and that is Pinkberry Clouds. This one came out in SAS of 2021. The notes for this one are strawberry spun sugar, marshmallow fluff, and fresh air. This one smells like cotton candy clouds or whipped meringue, and if you were to add a fresh air note. And that air note is the whole reason why I'm recommending you wear this one to the beach without feeling nauseated. So some of us are not freshy girls. Some of us are not coconutty girls. Some of us don't want to smell like suntan. So if you are one of those people, this is going to be the scent for you. So I urge you to give this one a try. Back on tune with the fresh coconuts. This is Waikiki Beach coconut. This one is in the store now, but this packaging is from last year. So the notes for Waikiki Beach coconut are tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, and sun bleached woods. This smells like that Solio Blanc without that suntan scent. So it smells like a lactonic beachy coconut, and it is so good for the coconut lovers who don't want to smell like suntan, who want to smell fresh and clean but also sweet. This is good for an early morning beach trip, especially if you're going to brunch after put on your makeup. That's what this one is good for. So you're going to love this one if you are going to the beach. And last, for the people who still want to smell good and clean and fresh and youthful, but sweet, this is Groovy Watermelon, and Groovy Watermelon's notes are juicy pink watermelon, sugared strawberry blossoms, and lime zest. The lime zest is that note that's going to give you that freshness that I'm going to recommend for wearing at the beach. So it smells like watermelon, and if you squeeze some lime on it. So the lime makes sure that the watermelon isn't too clean and it isn't too sweet, and it's just not bothersome and make you feel hot and sick. So the thing about being out in the beach, especially when it is 90 plus degrees, is that wearing something too sweet can aggravate your senses and make you feel like you're gonna pass out. So that lime is going to make sure that it cuts back on some of that sweetness and that juiciness of the watermelon, and it's gonna smell good if you dip it in and out of the water and you smell a bit salty. So here is my recommendations of some fragrances in my collection that I recommend that you wear to the beach, especially on a warm day. Let me know what you think about these recommendations. I have something for everybody, I think. I got some freshies, I got some suntan, I got some sweet scents, and I don't have any florals, but I just don't recommend florals. I love florals, but wear them with caution. So let me know what you think. Okay, love you, bye.